What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add and adjust transitions in DaVinci Resolve. Once you have DaVinci Resolve open and your project loaded, the first step is ensuring that your video clips are placed on the timeline. Your timeline is essentially the canvas for your video project, allowing you to arrange and edit your clips. To add transitions between your video clips, navigate to the Effects library located in the bottom left corner of the interface. Within the Effects library, you'll find a category named Video Transitions. This is your toolbox for all things transitions related. Here, DaVinci Resolve offers a wide array of transition effects, from simple fades and cuts to more complex, visually engaging effects like blurs or wipes. Simply browse to this list and find the transition that best suits your project's style and tone. Once you've chosen a transition, adding it to your project is as easy as clicking and dragging the transition onto the timeline, positioning it between the two clips where you want the transition to occur. If you need to adjust where your video clips split for the transition, you can use the Cut tool using the shortcut Ctrl and B on Windows or Command and B on Mac to precisely control where the transitions will be applied. After placing a transition, you might want to adjust its duration to better fit your video. To do this, hover over the edge of the transition effect on a timeline until the cursor changes, indicating that you can click and drag to adjust the length of the transition. This allows you to control how quickly or slowly the transition effect takes place between clips. For more detailed adjustments, you can zoom in on the timeline for a closer look. Simply hold down Alt and use your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in or out. This is especially helpful for fine-tuning the placement and duration of your transitions. Alternatively, you can also use the Inspector tab at the top right to achieve the same result. And that's how you can add and adjust transitions in DaVinci Resolve. Each transition should serve to enhance the storytelling of your video, guiding the viewer through your narrative in a way that feels both natural and engaging. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.